Power Vision System Private Limited was established in 1960. Power Vision System accumulates a legacy encompassing 60 years. Built on a foundation of unparalleled standards and superior quality. Having headquarters in Lahore and various regional offices in 4 major cities of Pakistan. Power Vision System Private Limited aims to provide quality products and services all across the globe. This enterprise has continued to flourish due to utmost dedication, commitment and client satisfaction.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza Amjad Wazir. I am the CEO of Power Vision Systems Private Limited. We're based in Lahore, Pakistan. Our company is the assembler and manufacturer of 3 and 4 cylinder diesel engines and diesel generator sets. We are producing engines for various applications such as power generation, agricultural machinery, water pumping sets and auxiliary power. We are in the diesel generator and engine business for the last 60 years. Power Vision was set up to provide quality generating sets for the Pakistani market. We have a complete in-house infrastructure for producing every aspect of the generator, from engines to the sheet metal to electric panels to all required accessories. This allows us to have complete control over the entire quality process throughout the chain of manufacturing.
Surpassing over 60 years experience and pushing limits in automotive, power generation and electrical engineering.
मेरा नाम सुहेल राना है। मैं चीफ मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर हूँ पावर विजन सिस्टम प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का, और हम लोग प्राउड मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं ATS जनरेटर्स के। ATS generators is a name very well known in Pakistan and in many countries of the world, and we are exporting it to Europe, Middle East.
And mobility.